Alright, hello and welcome to day 11. Tried to make a video for day 10, but I fucked up so much shit, I just didn't give a fuck to let you guys see that, so... Yep. Alright, well that's gonna end the video. I don't know if you saw the sparks. So it looks like we're gonna wait till Wednesday. God damn it, I hope this is the last fucking thing that goes wrong with this damn thing. Well, I don't know if you can see the difference there between the sprocket on the shaft compared to the sprocket on the axle. They require a separate chain, so here we are, day 11, Wednesday. We got the new sprocket. Let's see if I ordered the right one. Fuck, I hope it's the right one. Alright, let's get this thing checked out. Sure as hell looks like it. Let's hope so. Alright, holy fucking shit. Stars up. Alright, let's see. Is this the right one? It sure as hell fucking looks like it. I'm gonna be pissed off if this don't work. Probably would have helped to have the right tool for the job, but we'll make do with what we got. I wonder. Okay. Ooh, I almost had that. Damn. Damn you. Fuck. Shit. Come up. Damn it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, come on, you son of a bitch. Got it. No. No. There's another one. Fuck. Son of a bitch. Can I push it through? Probably not. Nope. Well, shit. Okay, I don't think this trick's gonna work for that. Alright, so go figure, I bought the wrong fucking part. No surprise there, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and put the sprocket that I got, we're just gonna put that straight onto the axle and get this thing ripping, so no clutch, I guess. God, you know it wouldn't surprise me if I even still got the wrong fucking sprocket too. Yeah, you wanna drive it too, don't you? Yeah, so do I. Yep. Yep. Okay, well I don't think it's supposed to go on that easy, but... Well, hopefully this works. Hey, don't touch that camera. Oh, I scared ya. Alright, so here we are again, back on the waiting list. We got a new chain and new rear sprocket coming to us, so the original clutch that I got should go back on and that should work, and I really hope this time will be the last time I say this, but I hope by then we'll be able to run it, so.